In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo C30 key fob. It's a very easy process and you can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery and a small sized Phillips head screwdriver. Size is this one. I believe this is a number 0 Phillips head screwdriver. If you don't have one of these, which is you need one of these to get this thing open, there's a little screw that you need to take out. If you don't have this, I will recommend this little set of screwdrivers that I personally use. They're good quality and they're really cheap. So if you need something like that, just go check the link in the description. You can get those on Amazon for just a couple bucks. And also the first link in the description will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price as well. Now, the first step is to hold the switch here. Just push that to the side and pull out the internal key. And now looking in this hole, kind of hard to see it on camera, but there is the screw within there. You can see it a little bit right there. You're just going to take this small size screwdriver and twist out that screw. Try to dump it out, carefully set it to the side. From here, what I like to do is just push the screwdriver into that hole to give you some leverage, and then in this little area where the key just was, you're going to pull back. And as you can see, we're kind of holding this in place and then pulling this back. And then you can just carefully remove or pull apart these two halves. Just try not to touch the circuit board. You don't actually need to work on this part, so just set that to the side. And what you want to do is come over here, find a space on the side of the key fob, on the side of the battery, and just try to pry out the battery gently, lift it up. And now that you have your battery out, you can grab your new CR2032. And when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text is facing down. And you'll just snap that into place, positive side down. And now we can put the two halves back together. So set that on top of the circuit board and give it a good squeeze. Make sure it is connected. And now we can just put our screw back in. So drop it in there. And mine is a little bit sideways. Try that again. There we go. And twist it in. And there you go. That's all it takes. You've got a new battery in your device, and that should last you for a really long time. I hope you liked the video. If it helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.